Have you ever wondered how a bullet hell shooter can also be a roguelike? Let's explore Enter the Gungeon, where players shoot, loot, dodge roll, and table flip their way through a legendary dungeon to find absolution. Enter the Gungeon is a top-down shooter that blends bullet hell mechanics with roguelike elements. Players control a band of misfits on a quest through a legendary dungeon known as the Gungeon. The primary goal in Enter the Gungeon is to reach the ultimate treasure, the gun capable of killing the past. This narrative element adds a layer of personal absolution for each player. The game features bullet kin, the most common enemy type, often spawning with different guns to challenge players. Dodging and shooting are key strategies to navigate through levels. Players must loot items, dodge projectiles, and roll tables for bonuses as they progress through the dungeon. Each playthrough offers a unique experience due to randomized elements. Enter the Gungeon combines fast-paced action with roguelike mechanics, making each attempt both thrilling and challenging. The game's bullet hell nature tests players' reflexes and strategies. With its unique blend of genres and engaging narrative, Enter the Gungeon stands out as a memorable experience in the roguelike genre. Its combination of shooting and strategy creates an intense gameplay loop. Have you played Enter the Gungeon? Share your most challenging moments or best strategies in the comments below. Dive into this unique blend of bullet hell and roguelike gameplay.